Now see question number 4 of exercise 4.1. Write the equations for the following statements. Our statement is the sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. What do you mean by sum? Sum means plus of what? X and 4 means x plus 4 is means equals to 9. So our equation is x plus 4 is equals to 9. So now see one more example. 2 subtracted from y is 8. I want to subtract. Subtract means minus. What from what? 2 from y. You have to see this. 2 from y. So y minus 2 is means equals to 8. You can't write 2 minus y. It will be wrong. So what you have to write? Y minus 2 because you want to subtract 2 from y. So now see one more example. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Of means in the previous videos of fractions chapter I have told you. Of means multiply. T, this is the variable here, t is equals to 15. 3 by 4 multiply by t is equals to 15. One more example. Add 3. I want to plus 3 to what? To what? 1/3 means 1 by 3. Of means multiply z. Z is my variable. What you will get? You will get 30. Get means equals to. So 1 by 3 of z. You have to multiply 1 by 3 with z first. Then what you have to add? 3 in it. 1 by 3 into z. You can write 3 here also and you can write 3 afterward. 1 by 3 into z also. Why? Because a plus b is equals to b plus a for integers, closure property, or I can say commutative property if you remember that a plus b is also equals to b plus a for integers and whole numbers is equals to 30. So 3 plus z upon 3 is equals to 30. So now one more example question is there. Write the following equations in statement form. In the earlier question what we have done, we have converted our statement into our equation. Now I will convert my equation into a statement. What is my equation? P plus 4 is equals to 15. It is as similar as this. So can I write it as the sum? Plus means sum of P and 4 is equals to means is 15. So now here 4p minus 2 is equals to 18. What is here? Minus. What we are subtracting? 2 from what? 4p. So we are subtracting 2 from 4p. So what do I have to write? 2 subtracted from 4p means 4 times p. Or I can say 4 of p. But it doesn't look nice to write 4p. 4 into p, or what I can write? 4 times p is 18. Now one more example. P by 2 plus 2 is equals to 8. So what we are doing here? We are doing half of p. And what we are adding in that? We are adding 2 in that. So half of p added to 2 is 8. Or I can say, if we are going to follow this, add 2. What we are doing? We are doing addition of 2 to what? Half of p. So add 2 to half of p. What you will get? You like in this we have done. You get what you are getting? 8. You are getting 8. I hope this is clear to you now, students. So you can try some more examples of this kind. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.